Okay, this video make introduction for the manual operation. Manual operation. So this one. Okay, we can show the number one station. That means for the wood stick loading position. Okay, this one. Firstly, we can show this button. The rise, drop cylinder, rise and drop. That means this cylinder. Drop, lift. Okay. We control this cylinder up and down. So next is shift cylinder A position and P position. That means this one. For this cylinder, move forward and backward, it has some condition. That means when this air cylinder move backward, it requires the rotating cylinder at the horizontal place. Okay, at this place you cannot move it. Let me show. Okay, it doesn't work. When I press the cylinder shift B position, it happens a lot. It shows rotating cylinder problem. Okay, that means the cylinder isn't at the horizontal plane. Okay, that means rotating. Okay, now I do, so it's okay. Okay, next one is the rotating cylinder. Okay. Next one is for the clamp. Clamp cylinder open and close. Okay. Okay. Now I will do a loading. Okay. So for the loading, firstly the cylinder should at the bottom place. I press it come down. Okay. And then this cylinder will lift. Okay. For this stop cylinder is these two buttons. Okay. Drop and lift. Okay. Now it will lift. And the conveyor motor will do the feeding. Okay. Press this one. So it's feeding. Yeah. Okay. So we need to have more to come here, right? Because we need more to come here. And then we let this stop cylinder drop down. That is button. Okay. Now we will clamp. Yeah, and then lift. Let the cylinder lift. Okay, and rotate it. Yeah, and then shift to D position. Yeah, and drop down. Okay, and clamp open. Yeah, and then lift. Okay, and move A position and rotate. Yeah, and drop down. To wait for another loading, right? This is the number one station loading per side. So we can see here number one buttons to control the number one station. Okay, number two station is the control the drilling function. Okay, for the drilling at the end of the wood stick. Okay, now after we load the wood stick, we light the table to rotate it to the next station, and here we turntable. Right, turntable. Yeah, it will rotate here. So now the wood stick is heading here, ready for the whole drilling. When do the whole drilling, we need light the finger to clamp it and fix the wood stick. So we like this, feed forward and the clamp close. And then start the motor and let the air cylinder come down between the hole and lift up and loosen, come back, then finish. Okay, let me show it. Number 2 station red drop cylinder. Okay, I will show here. So if your wood doesn't have the hole, you must turn on the motor firstly. Otherwise, it easily breaks the drill. Okay. Now we will start the motor. Okay, here the drill hole motor. Started. We start the motor. Okay. Then I will let the fixture go forward firstly. As here, this one, cylinder shrinkage and cylinder detention. Okay, see? Okay. These 2 buttons, number 2, number 2, okay? Yeah. Okay, after come here, we let the clamp close. Okay, the clamp on, clamp open. Yeah, clamp open, clamp, right? And then we can let the drilling air cylinder come down to drill the hole. Okay, that's this one. Yeah. And then lift it. After drilling, okay, drilling, lift, right? And this is a vacuum dust collector here, this button, okay, this button. Yeah. Then after drilling, we can stop this. Yeah. Then we will the clamp open here. So this one open, right? And let the fixture go backward. That's it. So this button. We go back. Then we finish the drilling. We can rotate the table to next station. Try the turntable. Okay, come here. Then we load the wood disc. That's number 3. So we press next page. So number 3 button to control the wood disc loading. Okay. So we can check here. Right drop cylinder. This is the right drop cylinder. Okay. We come and down and shift A position, shift cylinder. This is the shift cylinder. A position, B position. Okay. And the clamp open, clamp on. This is clamp open, clamp on. Okay. The next one is the feeding cylinder. Okay. This one is feeding cylinder to feed the wood disc. Okay. Feeding cylinder. Okay. So now I will firstly let it drop down and the clamp and move to the loading position and open and go back and do another wood disc loading. Okay, button, drop down, right, and clamp on, okay, and lift, yeah, and then shift to cylinder B position, okay, here, and then drop down, okay, and then open the arm and then lift, okay, and go back to A position, yeah, and then we load the new wood disc, so here, okay, let it go back, yeah, and we finish the wood disc loading, and then rotate the table, okay. Then it go to the screw assembly station. For here, we need fix the wood disc and fix the wood stick, wood disc, and then do the screw. Okay. Now we found here no screw. Then we need load screw. Here, this button is send nails. We press it. You can check here. Yeah, you get the screw here, right? Okay. Now we check the button. Lock and pay. Drop cylinder rise and drop cylinder drop. That's this main cylinder. Come and drop down and lift to control the screwdriver. Okay. So before we do the to let the main cylinder drop down, we must fix wood stick firstly. Okay. Here you can see number 4. Get the clip open, get the clip closed, and this contraction of cylinder section. These 2 buttons. Let me show you. Okay. Press these 2 buttons. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so we can see the picture. Cylinder is go forward. Okay, and then we clamp it. Okay, these 2 buttons. Yeah. So after it clamp this, so the wood stick is fixed, and then we can let the main cylinder drop down. Before we do this, we must start the sew motor first. Okay? So like this one. Okay. Now try the drop down cylinder. Because this cylinder is big size, we need to keep press this one to do the assembly. Okay. So yeah. And then up it. Okay. Here we see it finishes the screw assembly, and then we need to open the clamp and go backward. Here, that's open. You see, it's open, right? And then we let the cylinder go back forward by this button. Number 4, look at this button. Yeah, go back. As here is go back, right? And then we can stop the servo. Stop the servo and turn the table. Okay, stop it, and we press turntable. Then it rotates to the unloading station. Okay. Now we just press this page, moving motor parameter. Okay. Here we need firstly let this clamp go to the pickup position. Okay. So here we can check here pickup position, down position, position of safety. We press pickup position. Okay, come here. And then we let this cylinder drop down. Okay, so here the cylinder, lift cylinder down. Okay, press the lift cylinder down. See the car. Drop down, and then we need a clamp it. Okay, see here, finger open, close finger. Okay, press close finger. Okay. Yeah, and then lift it. Okay. Okay, then we let it go to the down position. Okay. Yeah, go to the down position, and we just open it. It will drop down. Okay, just press fingers open. Then we finish the manual production. Manual production. Okay, it's a conveyor motor. You can stop it. Stop. For the conveyor, we also have the speed. You can change the speed by this button. This is a turn on, turn off switch. Okay. And this is the main